Hi guys, my name is Danar and I want to tell you about the description of the Sewu Temple. Enjoy! Sewu Temple is the second largest Buddha temple complex after the Borobudur Temple, built around the 8th century. Mentioned that there was a sacred building called Manjusriga. Manjusriga means the house of Manjusriwan, the original name of the Sewu Temple. The name of the temple, it does not mean Sewu Temple has 1,000 temple building. Sewu in Japanese language is 1,000. The temple only has building of 257, with one main temple, 8 temples, and the rest as a Pravara temple with various status and relief that you can find in it. Sewu Temple has 4 gates on the east, north, west, and south that lead to the outer court, and each of them is guarded by a couple of Dwarapala statues facing each other. From the outer court into the inner court, there are also 4 gates, each guarded by a couple of Dwarapala statues similar to those at the outer gates. Sewu Temple located in Prambanan, Bakoharjo, Klaten, Central Java. After visiting the Prambanan Temple, you can visit this temple to see the magnificence of the Sewu Temple. This temple describes how harmonious relationship Hindu and Buddha at that time, which can be seen building of Buddha temple and Hindu temple in one complex of Prambanan Temple. Thank you for watching video guys. See you and bye bye.